Brain in a blender. Meaning, a fun, informal phrase used when your thoughts feel completely mixed up, overwhelmed, or chaotic, like everything is spinning and you can't think clearly. Sentence: after studying physics, chemistry, and biology non-stop, my brain feels like it's in a blender. Oopsie moment. Meaning, a fun, informal phrase used when you make a small, harmless mistake, something a bit embarrassing but not serious. Sentence: spilled water on my notes right before studying, oopsie moment. Chicken out. Meaning, to get scared at the last moment and decide not to do something you were planning. Sentence: I was going to ask the teacher a question, but I chicken out. Error 404, brain not found. Meaning, funny, internet-style phrase used when your mind suddenly goes blank, you can't think, remember, or understand anything, like your brain just stopped working. Sentence: I studied all night but in the exam, error 404, brain not found. Motivation went on vacation. Meaning, a funny way to say you have zero motivation right now, you don't feel like studying, working, or doing anything productive. Alarm rang at 5 a.m., but motivation already booked a flight. Instant regret mode. Meaning, a funny way to say you regret something immediately after doing it, like you realize right away that it was a bad idea. Sentence: ate too much junk food and now, instant regret mode. Bare minimum mode. Meaning, doing only the least amount of work needed, just enough to get by, no extra effort. Sentence: studied just enough to not fail, bare minimum mode. Eager beaver. Meaning, a person who is very excited, enthusiastic, and ready to do something, sometimes a bit too much. Sentence: I planned to study 10 hours, eager beaver energy lasted 30 minutes. Monkey business. Meaning, silly, playful, or mischievous behavior, doing things that are not serious, often causing a bit of trouble. Sentence dash, group study equals 10% study, 90% monkey business. Confidence left the building. Meaning, a funny way to say you suddenly lost all your confidence, especially in a stressful or unexpected moment. Sentence: walked into the exam hall like a topper, saw the paper, confidence left immediately. Elephant in the room. Meaning, an obvious problem or awkward truth that everyone knows about but no one wants to talk about. Sentence: when everyone knows the truth, but no one says it eyes, elephant in the room. Luck carry me please. Meaning, a funny, Gen Z style way of saying. Sentence: marked random answers and prayed, luck carry me please. Instant panic combo. Meaning, funny phrase for a sudden mix of stressful things happening together, causing immediate panic. Sentence dash, teacher standing behind me plus I don't know the answer equals panic combo. Clowning myself. Meaning, doing something embarrassing or setting unrealistic expectations and then regretting it. Sentence: I studied one chapter and expected full marks, truly clowning myself at Olympic level. Delulu is the Solulu. Meaning, being a little delusional is sometimes your way of staying hopeful or motivated. Sentence: I marked random answers in physics and said, Delulu is the Solulu, let's see if destiny agrees.